Hello German learners. Welcome to the A2 level German class. In this lesson, you will learn about perfect tense in German. So let's begin. The German A2 perfect tense describes completed past actions, mainly in speech, using a conjugated helping verbs, haben und sein, plus the past participle at the end of the sentence you use, haben, for most verbs. Like machen becomes gemacht, but sein, for verbs showing movement, like gehen becomes gegangen, or change of state, like werden becomes geworden. Let's study a little more closely. Sentence making formula. Conjugated verb, haben und sein, plus main verb in past participle. Now see the main verb in past participle. Here we will add ge before the verb stem and t after the verb stem. As the machen has become gemacht. Now let's make some sentences. Ich habe Tischtennis gespielt. I have played table tennis. Here you can see the verb haben with ich and the main verb spielt has become gespielt. Nummer 2. Lisa hat gestern die Küche geputzt. Lisa cleaned the kitchen yesterday. Nummer 3. Ich habe das Mittagessen gemacht. I have made lunch. Now you will learn how irregular verbs behaves. You can see. Here ge is added before the verb stem and en is added after the verb stem. Here you can see the verb laufen has become gelaufen. Let's make some examples. Ich habe ein Brot gegessen. I have eaten a sandwich. Ich bin zum Strand gegangen. I went to the beach. Separable verbs in perfect tense. Prefix stays at the beginning. And ge goes before the stem. For example, aufmachen has become aufgemacht. Let's see some examples. Nummer 1. Ich habe meine Mutter angerufen. I have called my mother. Nummer 2. Hast du schon eingekauft? Have you already shopped? Now you will learn how to take haben und sein verb. Haben, the most common verb in German. For actions with an object or without movement. Ich habe gearbeitet. I worked. And verbs sein for motion. Ich bin gefahren. I drove. For change of state. Ist gewachsen. He grew. Here are some points you should pay attention for A2 level German. Mastering haben und sein. Forming past participles for common regular and irregular verbs. Using it in simple sentences to talk about your past activities.